We shut down 5 different work sites just by traveling that back road.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Lorenzo with Unicorn Riot. We're on our way on a toxic tour. We're here in North Dakota. We're gonna be looking at all the different pipeline sites. The Dakota Access Pipeline has continued. Hey, thank you. Woo! Continued to be constructed despite the 20-mile buffer, despite the injunction against construction in that area. All over the place, construction continues. So right now we're on a convoy and we're gonna go check out all the different construction sites. Hey, what's up everyone? Yeah, so it sounds like work has been stopped at one of the sites already. Like we've had helicopters overhead and it looks like we're heading towards a work site and work is already stopped before we've even gotten there. There's a little yellow helicopter floating around following us. More than likely in a little bit we're gonna see an airplane show up and then we'll also see a second helicopter. So there'll be 2 helicopters and the airplane circling around the convoy as it heads towards different work sites here in North Dakota. Yeah, we're probably, I don't know, it's like 20 miles, maybe 15 miles from sort of the fence line where the dog attacks happened. Is probably where we're at. We're west of the encampments, probably northwest of the encampments, probably directly west of the Cannonball Ranch, about 20 miles I'd say right now, 15, 20 miles. We're heading towards where pipeline construction is actively happening. This is where Maya and Happy were locked down. 2 people who were arrested, shut down work all day, but the pipes are now out here and they're still continuing construction despite that direct action. They did shut down work that day. So we're on 1806 heading south towards the encampments. We drove around and saw, I think, 3 or 4 different sites. There was no work at all of them. From my understanding, that's because work stopped when they heard the convoy was coming. This was the toxic tour to take a look at all the different work sites in the area. And yeah, we're about 7 miles north of the frontline camp, the Sacred Ground camp. And we'll be back in the encampment in a few minutes.
Yeah, because we stand for the protection of water. I want you to repeat after me. We stand.
We stand.
To protect.
To protect.
The water.
We stand. To protect.
All life.
We stand.
To protect.
To protect.
Future generations.
We stand.
To protect.
To protect.
The elders.
The elders.
We stand. To protect.
To protect.
All life.
All life.
We stand.
We stand.